Hey guys, Ryan here, back with another Minecraft video, and today we are playing on the RSVM. Did I say it right? No. Okay, so what we are gonna play today is Flappy Chicken. Basically, what this is, basically just like the game Flappy Bird, but in Minecraft. Obviously, I don't know why I'm playing it on my iPod or something. So anyways. It's just really easy. If you don't know what Flappy Bird is, like, you should, but just if you don't, you gotta, there's a chicken and you gotta, or a bird, you gotta get them through tubes and stuff, and just try and get the highest score possible. So yeah, we're gonna just do it right now. So you just pick a difficulty. I'm just gonna go easy mode. Because I've tried this one right here. Extreme. It's not pretty. So as you can see here, you just gotta click and then go over. Ah! The high score is 5 because I've played this a couple times. Come on. So much harder than the actual game. Because who knows why. Maybe because I'm getting lag. Come on. 7! Yeah, my new high score is 7! Boom! Man. Oh. That is hard. Oh shoot. Come on. Do. Gosh dang it. Now I just want to tell you guys the difference between like easy and extreme. I'm just gonna select extreme and see like the gaps. They're a lot smaller. Like extremely a lot. Oh, I'm actually doing pretty good actually. Ow, actually 5. Pretty good. Well, we'll go back to easy difficulty. I'm just gonna stick with this. Actually. Come on. It's so hard talking and playing this at the same time. That's why I might be a little bit not really talking. So I think we'll try like one more after this, and then we're gonna call that an episode. I just want to show, no, not this one. I just want to show you guys this mini game and how frustrating it is. So we're gonna do. This is gonna be the last one. Hope we do good on it. Well, I guess we can call that an episode. We didn't do good at all, really. Well, I don't know what good is because I haven't really played this. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode of Flappy Bird. Link in the description for the server. I don't know if I've already said that yet, but if you want to go check it out, maybe you'll catch me on here or something. Yeah, so. Well, I'll see you guys all later, and bye!